Alright, so we have the Vivo X21 here with us, and yeah, this is their flagship device for this year, and this is the X21. This was first showcased at CES this year, and yeah, it really got some head turning, especially because of that in-display fingerprint scanner that you get. So they were the first one to introduce it. Although we've already shown that similar feature to you in the Honor 10 as well, but they were the first one to do it. And Vivo, as you know, yeah, they've been all over the IPL, but not just that, they're going to be here at FIFA as well, so it can't get bigger than this. Now the phone definitely looks good because we've already seen it at the when it was showcased at the CES, and yeah, it looked pretty awesome. I will just show it to you once this box is out, and the box is out. Alright, let me also show you what all is here in the box. So this is the phone. I will take this cover off. Or should I just slide it? Yeah, so here it is. Looks gorgeous. So the back is glass, 3D glass, that's what they've used. It's slightly curved, and the black color, it's in fact matte black color that you get over here, looks premium. I mean, I have to say this year the phones are kind of looking different and they're looking beautiful, and yeah, this one is no exception. The edges are rounded but a little tapered, so a little different feel that you get. At the back you have a dual camera setup. One is a 12 megapixel and one is a 5 megapixel camera, and you also get a 12 megapixel camera at the front, right? So they were all about camera and music, but I'm sure it's going to be about camera and music and a bit more, because finally it's like a premium phone coming from the stable of Vivo. So let me just power it up for you. In the meantime, I'll show you the rest, right? There could be a few surprises, but let's see. So literature, SIM tool ejector, you do get this soft cover as well. Come out. Nice and strong, so it will save you around 200-300 rupees, that's good. And you have the charging cable here, nicely packed, just like what you will get in the iPhone, so nicely done. And yeah, so you get this card that says FIFA World Cup. So, and you do get this headphones, so that's good. Not a lot of people are providing with headphones. You don't get them with the Honor, you don't get them with the OnePlus, so here you're getting them. They're nicely designed. You can take a closer look at them. And then this has to be your adapter, the big adapter that you get, 2 amperes. Yeah. Alright, so that's like standard stuff that you get, nicely packaged. I will put everything aside and concentrate on the device now. Alright, so I'll set it up. So this is a 6.2 inch of screen size that you get, full HD plus display, and it looks bright, and it also has a notch, which is the norm for this year. You've seen it in all the phones, including the Honor and the OnePlus, and same is the case over here. So you get the notch over here, and of course with a 19:9 of aspect ratio, which means more real estate to you, more screen size, and it definitely looks bright, right? And the highlight is of course that in-display fingerprint scanner, which is fantastic. And not only that, you also have face unlock feature here as well. All right, so yeah, the colors really look nice, punchy, and the blacks are also kind of looking good, so that's good. And the interface, what you get is a Fun Touch OS based on Android Oreo, so the latest Android that you're getting before the P rolls out. It's powered by the Snapdragon 660, so in comparison to the Honor 10, which is using its own current processor 970, which is a powerful processor, OnePlus is using the 845, which is again the latest high-end processor. This one is using a 660. Now it might seem like a budget processor, but I'm expecting some good performance out of it, and so of course that will be saved for later, how it really comes, but I can expect the performance to be good. There's 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, which is massive, which is great. And of course, dual camera setup would mean that you would have your portrait modes and all those things going for you. So you can click those pictures and various other modes like AR and beauty and all that, right? So camera again, yeah. So of course I'll be putting out some pictures just to show you how it actually is coming out. There's a 3200 mAh battery which should last you in ideal circumstances, but again we'll have to test it out. So for now, this is it. The Vivo X21, it looks beautiful. All the phones are looking gorgeous this year, so that's great. Dual camera setup, fingerprint scanner like in display, which is great. Got more screen size to yourself, and Snapdragon 660, 6 GB of RAM, that's massive. 128 GB of storage, that's huge, and the Android Oreo with Fun Touch OS. So pretty solid. We'll be using it, and we'll be back with our review real soon.